If you've been dreaming of owning a vintage stone home in a tranquil island town in Croatia, surrounded by natural beauty, secluded coves, untouched nearby islands, savor delectable cuisine, surrounded by welcoming locals, and enjoy spectacular sunsets. Now's the time for you to make your dream become a reality. This is Korčula Island, one of the most beautiful and historically rich islands in the central Dalmatian archipelago. Nestled on the western shores of Korčula is Vela Luka. Vela Luka is a hidden gem for those in pursuit of adventure and peaceful relaxation. It is a tapestry woven from the threads of arts and culture. Friendly locals, stunning natural beauty, and the site of one of Europe's most important archaeological discoveries right here in Vela Spila, or the Big Cave, situated high above the town. Vela Luka's vibrant artistic community is proudly displayed in its world's longest walking mosaic, created by talented local artists and visitors in their desire to leave a personal imprint in the mosaic ribbon that uniquely decorates the walking promenade of Vela Luka. Your future vintage stone home is located right here, a short walking distance from the new ferry landing and a 15-minute stroll from the town center. This secluded, meticulously preserved stone home features a rare stone archway that stands as a testament to the old world craftsmanship and the enduring spirit of its former owners, Anton and Marko Vidulic. They, along with their sons, braved the seas and relied on their skills to make a living as fishermen, like the generations before them. At the turn of the 20th century, when Anton and Marko entered into marriage, their father made a decision to split the ancestral family home into 2 equal portions, granting his sons their own private spaces to establish their respective families. Marko's grandson, captured here as a young boy with his grandfather, inherited his half of the property. And in the summer of 2010, the grandson and his wife decided to remodel the adjoining kitchen and the 2 upper floors so that he and his family could enjoy the old ancestral home once again during their summer holidays in Vela Luka. The hallway and 2 small bedrooms on the first floor were completely gutted and transformed into a comfortable living room, complete with a heating and air conditioning unit. A portion of the second bedroom was converted into a modern bathroom with a shower, hot water heater, and a washer and dryer combination. The second-floor attic was converted into a spacious bedroom, also equipped with a heating and air conditioning unit, a ceiling fan, along with two innovative Velux roof skylights for extra ventilation, plenty of natural daylight, and the view of the nearby harbor. The large terrace had also fallen into neglect, but underwent renovation and became an ideal spot for morning coffee, outdoor dining, private sunbathing, and evening relaxation during the summer. The old kitchen was once Marco's sanctuary. It became a storage room, but it was transformed into a thoroughly modern kitchen with all the latest conveniences, such as a full-size refrigerator freezer, an electric induction touch control cooktop and oven combination, along with a dishwashing unit and a ceiling fan for extra ventilation. New windows and shutters, along with all the exterior doors, were installed throughout the house. The ground floor storage room, known as the Konoba, was not renovated, but provides natural cooling and additional living or storage space. Anton's half of the property was inherited by his granddaughter and has not been renovated, but provides an equal amount of space and awaits someone's imagination to make it come alive once again. It is possible to park a small auto or scooters in the enclosed area in front of the home. However, additional property is available for purchase nearby, where a garage can be constructed to store a boat or additional autos. Perhaps the biggest reason why the Vidulic ancestral home is on the market today is because the grandchildren wish to see the old house become whole once again.